How to view a breakdown of your app storage usage from biggest to smallest on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on General. After that, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down, and in the list here, it will show apps from biggest to smallest. So the highest usage is photos. Next, I've got TikToks using up 457.4 megabytes. And then the next one is Instagram, YouTube, and so on. And that's it. Below here, usage by the iOS operating system. Then you got system data. So together they use up around 15 or 16, yes, around 16 gigabytes. And that's it. After you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.